Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Demi. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I'll switch over to Sharpie and you can join along. But I just wanted to, so don't worry if you can't see, because I mostly wanted to get this for myself, and then you'll be able to follow along. This shouldn't be too bad because we are basically drawing anatomy, you know, because she's just wearing a skirt. Basically all we got to do is just draw the human anatomy. That's really about it, and it should all come together, you know. So I'm trying to think of a good pose, and I think just the standard, you know, standing, check me out, I'm a badass with the robot arm. I think that ought to work. Let's see, if I point this foot at you, I can get away with just drawing the heel, the toe. This one I need to, yeah, something like that. I think I can get away with that. Okay, so let me thicken this up just a little bit, and up to, let's see, like that's for her skirt, and then her little gun pack on her thigh. Well, it's not really a gun pack though, is it? It's like a utility pack, since it's a cigarette pack. I'm just kidding. It's just a little box on her hip. So let's see, and I think holding her hand up like check me out, look at my arm, buddy. I think that would be kind of cool. Let's see if we can draw some crazy robot arm like robots do, Okay, something like this. And then have her fist out like that. Or not her fist, her hand. I'm gonna have it just splayed out, just robot hand, you know, like that. That's kind of cool. I like that. I can live with that. Okay. Let's see, with her other arm, let's just have it out. Let's see, her sleeve, her other arm, just sticking out, right? Something like that, because she's kind of showing off the robot hand, you know? There's no need to say, hey, look at this one, because this was just a dumb old hand. Just kidding. It's not dumb. Alright. Okay, and again, I just got to draw anatomy on that one because I'll show you how's on is the glove. Alright, looks good to me, so I need to finish the head real fast. Let's see, that anatomy looks pretty good. Oh, you know what? She's got those headphones. Gotta take those into account. Then she's got her cool hair. She's got that one piece hanging out like that. So sorry if this sketch is gonna take a little bit longer, but I gotta add a little extra for her hair, right? And the headphones. Oh, I'm so bad with headphones because it never looks like headphones. You know, it just looks like something cuckoo crazy all over. Over the head, you know? Especially when I draw this many sketch lines and don't have it all tightened up. Okay, I think that'll work for the headphones. And then I just have to remember to draw the microphone. Okay, so let's draw her face. Something like that. mouth. Just like that. Again, just sketching until I like where it's going. Draw some pupils. And let's see the back of her head. Like this. Okay, I think I am happy with that. I think we can get going. Yeah, let's switch over to Sharpie now. So you're welcome to use a pencil if you like, but I'm going to use a couple of Sharpies, Sharpie Fine Point, Sharpie Pen. Actually, not that Sharpie pen, this Sharpie pen, because it's a little bit sharper. The black one, not the gray one. That's the one I get the finer detail with. Alright, so I'm just going to use this to start with the eyes. The eyes help me out the most, because I'll know whether I'm going in the right direction and if I'm level. So I'm going to draw the top lid like that, the other lid like that. Draw the pupils to see how I am. We're good like that. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. And again, this is what I normally do, is I don't draw much else, and I add on a little bit of makeup, you know? So, kind of thicken it up for like the cat eye look, you know? So see, I can't go much further than that because, to add her little beauty mark, because this Sharpie is just going to dull it out. It's just going to get super muddy if I go crazy, you know? So I'm going to add a little bit of the brow, and then I can do the eyebrow. Sorry, that's the bridge of the nose, not the brow. And then I can add this eyebrow like that. Keep it kind of thin. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the nostrils, just something tiny, like that, just to kind of simulate that there's a nose. And then we'll take care of the rest with coloring. And so for the mouth, I'm just going to kind of, I do the mouth like this, the middle of the mouth, then do the top lip, bottom lip, and I'm good with that. Alright, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to draw the chin, bring it up to the side of the face like that. Okay, thicken it up just a hair. Now, before I do this other side, I have to draw that microphone, or I am going to lose it. I don't mean go crazy. I mean I'm going to lose the drawing if I don't follow through with that. Ooh, that was super thin. Alright, that works. I'm happy with that, so now I can draw the rest of the face. And she has those hair tendrils coming down, so this one's going to come down like this. We'll go ahead and just do it in like that. And I'm doing it just so I know where everything is lying. Okay. Oh, this Sharpie is dying. Okay. And I'm going to bring it over the headphone just a little bit like that. Okay. Now I can draw the headphone. Something like that. We'll just draw another line just to kind of give it some kind of style to it, you know. And let's do the other one over here too. So this piece of hair is going over this one. Okay. This piece of hair is doing like that. Oh, Demi, with your strange whippy hair. She forgot to get a few of the front tendrils, right? Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So now I just have to draw the top part of the headphones. Oh, let's go ahead and just draw that to show that there are headphones on the other side too. Just a little bit on the edge like this. Okay? So before I start messing with the hair, I need to get that right. So let's see if I can do this. So I'm going to draw something like this to simulate the plastic part that holds it all together. There's another one on the other side. That's as much of the crazy detail as I'm going to get. I'm just trying to do something a little different, you know? Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to draw a line over like this, and then it's going to have the top part, which is a little bit thicker, like this. Something like that, okay? And then the bottom half. Oh, you know what? That's not too bad. I'm going to draw this one thin because you're only looking at the side. Connect it like that. I can live with that. I can live with that. So now let's draw some more of her hair kind of flowing over itself, because it kind of does something like this. I can live with that. I'm gonna not go too crazy there, and not lose it, right? So, okay, there's her hair. I'm gonna stop right there because I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead is the best way to say it. Okay, so let's finish up her chin over here. Connect it like that, and that'll be finished with that head part. I just got to do some whippy hair. Something like this. Anyway, just gonna thicken up these edges, and I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away a winner. Okay, I'm gonna thicken up that edge just to match. All right, I'm walking away. I'm walking away. I'm very happy with where that went, so I'm gonna walk away happy. Okay, so I'm gonna draw her shirt like this, because the collar kind of goes up. It's gonna come down to her shoulders like that. Ooh, I gotta be careful because that's where the hand's gonna be. Let's do this part first before we do that, okay? So there's the back of her shirt. See how that kind of got lost in all this, and how it gets muddy right here? That's why you don't want to add too much detail with something that tiny. You just lose it. Okay, so I'm gonna draw her shoulder to here, and basically that's where her sleeve is going to stop. Okay, I'm going to draw her other part of the sleeve like that. I can draw her hand down, or her arm down to where we're going to do the robotics like that. And so we're going to do something like this, just to kind of simulate the bend. And it's not too much that we're going to be able to do because it's robotics, you know, and it's all internal, you know. That's the thing about a robot. It's all on the inside. Unless you're C-3PO and you can see stuff in your belly, it's all on the inside, you know. Something like that. And let's see, let's simulate something like this, just to kind of show something like that. And then coloring will take care of the rest. But see, that's mech, you know, that's robot enough. Okay, so the hand, we're pretty much just going to draw a hand, you know. That's all we can do. And just draw some digits. Something like that. So same thing, we're going to draw anatomy. We're going to draw the digits of the fingers. And I'm doing it like this. I'm gonna have them floating just to try to come up with some kind of mech thing, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. One more at the top. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my finer Sharpie, and I'm going to connect it just thinner, like that. You know what I mean? So basically, yeah, so I did like almost like the joints are thinner, and you know, maybe I'm trying too hard, but I was trying to do something like that. You know, so just to give it more of a robotic look. Maybe I succeeded. Maybe I'm awesome. Alright, and we'll do something like that, just to give it that mech look. Alright? Yeah, I'm happy. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so here is where we're going to try not to lose it, because it kind of hits those edges. I'm kind of didn't plan it correctly, but you know, I'm going to try to make it work. So I'm going to draw the rest of her arm underneath the hand like that, and not fall into there. I think that works. I think I can make that work. Okay, so let's draw her skirt, and that'll give us the other edges that we can work with here. So let's draw her back here to her hip, to her skirt out like that. It's going to flare just a little bit. And so we're going to draw her breast out like this, to her belly, to her other hip, to where her leg's going to be. So I can draw the bottom of her skirt like that. And that'll give us edges to work with, right? Okay, so now let's finish up this arm. Again, we're just drawing anatomy. just the back of the arm now to the forearm, and the glove here like that. So now I'm going to draw her hand, and it's just her thumb and her finger, just like that, just hanging down, you know. And you can't really see the rest because they're right back behind that finger, so I think we're good like that. We're going to draw like the glove part, you know. Oops. Fix some of my mistakes there. And move on. So now we're just going to draw her legs. And again, we're just following anatomy. So I'm going to, well, let's draw this pack here before I get lost. So it's going to have this strap going across there like that. Another strap going across here like that. And then the look of it and the box pack like that. Okay? And her legs going up there like this. So now we just got to draw anatomy again. So we're just going to draw her thigh to her knee, to her calf, to her ankle. And she has like a little ankle like bracelet thing, so that'll give us a stopping edge. So now let's do the other side. We're going to draw the back of her leg to her knee, up to the outer thigh, and connect there. And so let's do the same thing here. Let's just draw her leg down to her knee, her shin. I'm going to go ahead and just draw down to her foot like that. So the back of her leg, to the back of her knee, to the calf, to the heel, like that. And oops, I went too far, right? I should have drawn, I was going to stop there. Okay, so we're almost done. This is super easy. What we're going to do is just draw the front of the foot, and all we have to do is do something like this, point, and bring it up like that, because she's got that shoe on. You'll draw over here, and it kind of hides the rest of her foot, you know? We'll go ahead and draw the heel like that. Maybe you can see it off the side, but you can't really. We're just giving you something. And so now we're going to draw this one. So her heel's going to be like that. And we're going to come down and draw the front of the toe like this. And the foot is in there like that, going in there like that. So we're going to draw this part of the shoe that is holding it onto her foot. Ooh, I'm going to retire this Sharpie after this. It is dead in the water. Okay. All right, I say we do the rest with color. So that is Demi. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.